guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, we're gonna do a removal with the cream remover. And what's special about this tutorial is that we're gonna have a challenge of them not getting removed so easily, and then we're gonna see what techniques we can use to remove the last bits of eyelash extensions. Hint, hint, we're gonna really kind of get in there and show you the twisting and banana peel technique. For those of you that are new to our YouTube channel, we try to do as many tutorials as possible to give you guys continuous lash education. It's all about eyelash extensions. So we also have an academy where we do actual certification and trainings, but on YouTube we try to give you guys as much supplemental detailed information as possible. Please let me know what you guys think, or if you have any suggestions for videos, we'd be more than happy to get them out to you. For this removal, I'm using the Yegi cream remover. First thing I'm going to do is tape down the bottom lashes, or at least put the under eye patch in the under eye skin. Now, taping down all the under eye lashes is not important. The main purpose of this is to protect the skin and not get any extra solution onto the skin that's not necessary. For this client, I chose to use a cling wrap because she still has a lot of her extensions on, and this is going to help expedite the cream remover from working and breaking down the glue bonds without it just kind of drying out in the air. So that's why I chose to wrap it. We want to make sure we saturate and apply a generous amount of the solution onto the eyelashes. You really want to see that pink color to know that you've applied enough. Next, we're going to set our timer for 5 minutes and let it process. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and remove the cling wrap, and we're going to start brushing down in order to remove the eyelash extensions. Now, it is very important to keep brushing down and never brush up, because that's when you can lift the eye open and the solution can get in the eye and cause discomfort to the client. Now, if there's still eyelash extensions left after that 5 minutes, you can reapply the solution and let it sit for another 5 to 10 minutes and then try brushing them down again. Sometimes if the set is really fresh and the eyelash extensions are really bonded, they won't remove as easily. Now, if your remover is not working as fast as you think it should, for this one specifically, if it's not coming off within 5 minutes or the most 10 minutes of soaking really easily, then your product could be old. You could have been holding on to it for too long. The best practice with it is write the date down, and the shelf life is about 1 year. Now, once most of the extensions are removed, I'm going to go ahead and take out the under eye patches and really cleanse them. And if there's only 1 or 2 left, I'm not going to brush or pull on them so much in the removal process with the remover. Afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and remove those 1 or 2 with the tweezer. Again, remember to always brush down even in the cleansing process. This is really going to help for you to not get any solution in the eye. Here we are. This is when I'm going to go ahead and go in and use the banana peel technique and also the twisting technique in order to remove any leftover adhesive or stuck eyelash extensions. This is going to make sure that we leave the eyelashes as clean as possible. Now, do not pull on the natural eyelashes where you're going to be plucking them out. You want to gently work your way. And at this point, you can use some oils like castor oil, even baby oil or olive oil, to kind of soften the natural eyelashes and kind of rehydrate them to leave them feeling fresh after the removal. Now, if you're gonna do a fresh set after the removal, you want to make sure you really cleanse them with the lash wash, and then double cleanse again by sending your clients to the bathroom to really wash their eyes before you do the full set again. This is going to ensure that the extensions that you apply are going to last long and that there was no remover residue left on the natural eyelashes. Here is the twisting technique up close and personal, so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. With my left hand, the non-dominant hand, I'm holding where the glue bond and the natural eyelashes are, and with my right hand, my dominant hand, I am twisting in little circles right where the glue bond is with the extension, so I don't pull on the natural eyelashes, but I break the bond of the glue so the extension can come off easily. The little white dots are the leftover glue residue. Now when you are applying and you use the more adhesive, you will see more leftover adhesive residue, and with the remover, even if you use the black adhesive, they do end up turning a little bit white. So that's kind of what you're seeing, and that's what we're working through to remove. That have the option to also apply the oil, let it sit a little bit, and then try to glide those little white particles off. Now this is the banana peeling technique. Is what you're gonna do is you're gonna if it's a fan, a volume fan, you're pretty much gonna separate the fan in half, hoping it breaks the bond of the glue and it's gonna come off. If it does not, that's when you're also again gonna hold one tweezer with a natural eyelash to make sure we don't pull on that, and gently we're gonna peel the extension off of the natural eyelash. Well, that's it. All the extensions are removed, and this is where we can really cleanse our eyelashes again and go ahead and apply a fresh new set. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, follow, and check us out on Instagram, TikTok. We would love to interact with you. Until next time, bye.